Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys. Today we are going to be doing another fitness challenge, another before and after. Huge shout out to Noom because I'm actually partnering with them on this video today. I'm going to be testing out their app for the next 2 weeks and I'm going to basically document my before and after results. For those of you who don't know what Noom is, it is a healthy weight program. It is an app that you can download on your phone. I actually have the app currently. I downloaded it on my iPhone for iOS, and they also have it for Android, so they have it for both. And basically Noom offers you the opportunity to actually have like a personal trainer on top of being able to track your daily meals, your steps, everything, your exercise, and it'll sync to your smart devices as well. So mine's actually linked to my Apple Watch. And on top of that, you also get a coaching team and a group. They put you in a group with other people who have the similar goals with you, and you get to communicate with all of your team and your coach will contact you regularly just to give you that extra pep in your motivation. If there's any goals that you want to achieve, they will contact you. And then on top of that, something that makes this app very different, that they also offer you recipes to make for every day. They have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. That way you're not stuck making the same thing every single day. There is some creativity in there. You can actually search recipes based on what you're craving. If you want chicken or Asian food or Mexican food, they will give you a recipe based off of that. So for the next 2 weeks, what we're gonna be doing is trying out their recipes. We're gonna follow and make sure we complete our exercise goals every day and we get our steps in every day. You guys already know that on my Apple Watch, I have been closing my rings already. But what I wanted to do was just go ahead and add this program into my regimen to see if that helps with just keeping me on track with everything, because as you guys know, I have not been keeping on track by myself. I have had a trainer in the past. He did help keep me accountable, but with this app, what I hope to do or hope to see, hopefully I'll have someone who can keep me accountable. But before we get started with this 2-week challenge, be sure to go click that subscribe button, hit that bell if you guys want alerts for my next video, and of course go ahead and hit that thumbs up because we about to do a before and after video for you guys. Let's do it. All right guys, so like I said, we're gonna go do the weigh, and I told you guys I was 255, and I'm about to show you guys what we're starting off with. I've lost 10 pounds on my own in the past 2 months, just by making healthier choices and just going to the gym more and just trying to be a little bit more active. Honestly, since then, I have just been maintaining a 155 weight. I haven't gained or lost any. Maybe I've lost like maybe 0.5 pounds here and there. But for the most part, I've kind of just been staying at this stagnant weight. And I know that's because I have been slacking with my nutrition. However, we're gonna go ahead and start this Noom challenge, and I'm going to show you guys my current weight. So you guys, you saw it first. I am starting out at a weight of 155.8 pounds. It's kind of hard to film, but you can see I got little pokers from the stomach, little jiggle. We're gonna get this fitness journey together and we're gonna go ahead and start getting my workout in for the day. How about that? Let's do that. All right, so day one, we are setting my SMART goals. We're gonna go ahead and, it's between nutrition and psychology, but I think I'm gonna go with psychology. That's usually what I know. No, thank you. I'm smarter already. This app is pretty cool because it teaches you like what you need to do. Interesting. No, I don't eat like that. That's, yeah. Ooh, yeah, I'm a fun eater. Let me see. Fog eating. Oh, I do that too. Damn. Storm eating. That's sometimes, but not really. No, I'm not a storm eater. Death eating. What? Cold drink. No, I'm definitely not that. It's between fog and fun. What I say, I'm a fun eater. What are you doing?
Vlogging you. Working while I'm working, you're working at the same time.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my fitness goals together. You're interrupting. I'm trying to see what kind of eating.
Well, I'm about to interrupt even more. I noticed we'll be doing a mukbang today, so.
Oh my gosh, you're right. This is Tony and Nicki, or?
This is Tony D2 Wild. That's Nicki.
Yeah.
So, yes, your channel. This is my channel. And we're talking about our channel.
I'm vlogging on my baby camera.
But you're vlogging on your channel. I'm vlogging on my channel, and we're talking about the video for our channel.
Progress, right?
Work. This is work, right? A work day in the house of the two wilds.
Progress. Yes.
All right, well.
Work toward helping you center your day around feel eating. Yes, let's do that. Help me. Help me, Noom. Consolidate me. I'm just gonna go with that. What? Oh my god, I don't want to fail. I'm failing, babe. You should not weigh yourself on different scales. Let's do that. Whew. Weighing yourself. Everyone on empty stomach is a way to lose weight and stay accountable. Ooh, I'm smart, y'all. Okay. In the behavior chain, what comes directly before the action or behavior? Thoughts. I got a little slow with that one, but I'm gonna go with that one. Whew. Smart, I'm smart. That's fog eating. Yes. Whew, I'm smart. I got 4 out of 5 questions right, babe. You don't understand. Morning, Chunky. It's day 3. Noon challenge. Dang, just leave. All right, guys. So we are about to check, just progress check. Day 3. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. We lost a pound. 1 pound. Ignore my toes. I gotta get them done. But we lost a pound. Just woke up. But what they say is if you're losing at least 2 pounds a week, that means you're losing weight at a healthy rate. Anything more than 2 pounds a week, you're probably doing something that's a little too extreme that's gonna make you gain the weight right back. So we are on the right track with everything. I don't feel hungry. I feel like, you know, I'm getting my steps in. From my app, from the Noom app, my daily goal is not 10,000 steps a day. It's only 1,000. So it's definitely going at my personal pace. So I will check it back with you guys at the end of the week, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So although I'm looking mighty crazy after week 1, feeling great. I'm feeling good. We're going to check in back with you guys on the final weigh-in, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we made it to the end of week 2 of the Noom Fitness Challenge. You guys, these past 2 weeks have been very, very surprisingly easy. Like, I was expecting to like be dying through this fitness challenge, but I'm about to tell you guys why this challenge is different from any other challenge I've done on my channel, just because of how the app just really like conforms to my lifestyle and tries to make it as easy and realistic as possible as far as like reaching your fitness goals. That's one thing that sticks out the most as far as this Noom challenge. As far as like my final thoughts, week 1 on day 3, I had already lost like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Super dope. Not just water weight, it was actual pounds. Like, I was eating healthier, I was going to the gym, I was getting my daily steps. By the end of week 1, I felt like I was kind of already getting in the groove of things. So with the app, you can log your foods. You don't have to use the recipes, but there are recipes there for you to use, and it tells you the nutrition levels, the recipes and the instructions on it, how green it is, if it's more of a treat meal or if it's more of a healthier meal. It tells you all those percentages, which gives the app a couple brownie points in my opinion. They do have different exercises you can use. For me, what was different for me, I have an Apple Watch, so all of my exercises that I logged into my health app and onto my watch automatically transferred into the Noom app. So it was able to keep track of my daily exercise and the daily calories that I burned. When you log in your meals on the app as well, they do have like a huge source. Like that, the data in that app is really dope. You're able to actually see how much calories you're taking in versus what you should be putting out. You never want to be at a negative number. You don't want to consume more calories than you're supposed to than what you've actually burned for the day. So in addition to not only the meal recipes and then being able to track your food, another thing that really stood out to me in this app was the coach. So on week 2, I did struggle a little bit with logging every single meal that I ate because of my work life. Like I'm not on my phone like that, you guys. It's really hard for me to grab my phone every time I'm doing something. But with the Noom App, my coach did reach out to me and she would ask me like, hey, why didn't you log in? She was keeping on track with me. She was very encouraging and she did offer tips as far as like what goals we had for the week. And then she was just like giving me tips as far as like how I can actually be able to log in on my meals and kind of keep track of what I'm consuming daily. And that will go into my 4th thing that I really enjoyed about the app. So with the app, each day they actually give you little quizzes, like little quick quizzes. You can read through them and find out things about your body. So as you guys saw on week 1, we did check and see what kind of eater I was. So not only do they ask you about your eating habits, but they'll ask you about your daily habits, you know, basically everything about you they want to know more about. That way they can actually customize your plan for you, which makes it really, really cool. So on my final weigh, and you guys remember when I started, I was at 155.8. This morning when I weighed myself, I am at a final goal weight of 149 pounds. For some of you guys may be like, oh, that's not a lot of weight. On the app, it does say if you lose at least 1 to 2 pounds a week, that's like losing weight at a healthy rate. Obviously, that's pretty much what I did. And I do feel like I'm not like starving or anything like that. I feel like I'm still living a normal, healthy lifestyle. One thing about the Noom App, it's not like an extreme type of weight loss program or healthy weight program. I feel like this is more realistic for people who are always working, busy moms, students and all of that. And as far as like the daily goals, they do have different paces. You can go at a slow pace, a medium pace, or a fast pace. I believe I went with the medium pace as far as like results goal. And then as far as like budget, they also ask you about your budget, like what kind of budget you have as far as like buying groceries and gym memberships and all of that. So they do customize it for you depending on your situation, which I really appreciated. Long term, would I continue using the Noom App? Would I invest my money in the Noom App? This is perfect for beginners. Let me tell you something. This is a perfect option for people who probably can't get a fitness trainer or feel like they don't have time in their schedule to do that. This is actually more of an at-home option for me. Once you sign up, your coach will be on you. I've gotten a couple times where she'll be giving me like a little nudge just to make sure that I'm completing my goals and all of that. Summarize the whole Noom App. To me, it's kind of like having an at-home trainer on your phone. The main point of the fitness trainer is not to have them forever. What they're supposed to do is actually help teach you about your body, help teach you about nutrition, and help teach you how to have a long-term healthy lifestyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions for me, please be sure to leave it in the comment section below. I do have a link in the description if you guys do want to try out Noom for yourselves. And again, I love you guys so much. I will be still trying to continue using Noom from here on out. I'm definitely going to be using their recipes because they do have a great variety of different choices on there, which is sometimes something that I get stuck with as far as like what I want to eat each day. I do love eating different things every day. That's why meal prepping is not for me. So this is something I'm definitely going to keep into the Noom App for sure. And again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace. Kind of like on this health journey with you guys, and you guys have been requesting sneaker videos from me, and I haven't posted any recently because of that. And I just wanted to bring Tony on here because he is another